Okay, this is just the easiest little toilet paper pumpkin I've ever made. I don't like this, so I'm gonna replace it later once I get a saw today. I cut a piece of fabric. This is about 12 inches wide, but it should be about 14 inches, I found. And it's about 18, it's probably about 2 feet. So you can cut a perfect square that would probably be like 18 by 18. I think that would work best. And then all you do, just undo the toilet roll. I'm gonna do like, I don't know, probably like 20 plus times of unrolling it because I like it to be fluffier and kind of look like a, you know, funky pumpkin. When I roll it back up, I just twist it. Twist it. I'm kind of twisting it more on the top and middle. And depending on the size that you want the pumpkin, you could cut bigger, like 20 by 20. But since I'm not cutting bigger, and see how my sides are too small, so I'm gonna have to glue them right here and right here with a glue gun. But you don't have to do that if you cut it the right size. I did not. So again, probably 18 by 18 will be a great length, so you don't have to glue. You'll glue once you stick them in the sides, but not right now. So you just hold that down. Obviously, it takes forever to glue, for hot glue gun to set. So I just kind of squish it around. Then I take my next piece, kind of fold it in. Then I'm gonna put glue on the inside. I'm just gonna put a heaping amount of glue all around because I just wanna fold as I go. So I kind of go over where the glue was and I cut the small piece, just shove it in. Same with this side. I'm just gonna keep going, keep going, keep going. This side is a little bit squished because I had to glue it. So I'm just gonna keep going, fold it in, fold it in, fold it in. Now this last piece, I just kind of twist it so you don't see the seam. Then I just fold it in as best as I can. And my friends, this is how you have a, whatever this is called that I was just talking about, pumpkin. Then when I go to glue in, obviously I'm gonna add more glue. Probably I'll stick, I ran out of glue sticks, or I would have glued as I went too, but since I ran out of glue sticks, this will be the best I can do. So I am just going to add more glue. But once I put my stem in, I will put a ton of glue in there and just move it around so it's set. So here are how you make toilet paper pumpkins.